Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the BCM module. That's the generic electronic module on a Ford Escape first generation. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that, and don't forget to subscribe for one new video every day. Alright guys, and now first thing, you need to remove that trim right here, and you need to pry it with the screwdriver. There is 4 clips. Let me show you exactly where to put pressure. Okay, you can see those are kind of like the zip ties with the teeth. So facing this way, you need to apply some pressure on these two and on this side as well. As you can see, it's facing that way. Okay, next thing, with a prying tool or a screwdriver, you need to pry. There is a few clips right here on that plastic cover right here, and now we will need to put it in neutral. Okay, once you put it in neutral, you can lift it up, go through the emergency brake like that. You need to lift it up all the way, and you can pull the cover out of there. This is the lighter right there, so you need to push down on the little tube that it has and pull. Those tend to get really stuck sometimes, and you can pull the whole cover out of the way. After that, right there, you need to remove that carpet, and there is four screws that you will need to remove with 7mm socket. Okay, you can see just like that. So remove all 4 of these. Okay guys, as you can see, we removed all 4 screws right there. Now if you go on the passenger side on the back, there is one more on the bottom, same screw type that you need to remove, and there is one on the driver's side as well. So you need to remove this one and get it out of the way. Those are usually not tight at all. Okay, this one is out. Now right here next to the shifter is another one that you need to remove. So we can get a better angle, you can see where exactly it is. One right there on top, and after that there is one underneath this one as well. And this is the cover for the fuses, but there is no need to remove it unless you want to. Now we have on top these 2 screws. So all you're using, guys, is that 7mm socket right now and a screwdriver, or if you have a prying tool. We drop this one, have to find it later, or maybe now. And now it's this one right here, the same one, and after that you need to remove the one here and the 2 on the front. Now you need to grab the center console and pull it to the back, and once you pull it, it will release the glides on the front. Okay, as you can see, like that. And now you can just go ahead and pick it up and get it out of the way, as you can see, just like that. So we removed the console already, guys, and once you do that, there is only one bolt holding the module to the dash frame right there. So you need to remove this one with a 7mm socket, and once you do that, now you need to remove all the wires. Like this one, you just press down and push to the back and it comes out. And also on this side there is a few more, they're the same way. You just have to be careful, okay, not to break them. And after that there is one more right there. So there is one little thing, this one you press on the back and pull, okay, and the wire comes out. One more all the way down there. And if you have electrical problems with your car, it's very possible that it's that module right here, because that controls all the electronics inside the vehicle. And there is only one clip that holds the cable to the BCM module, and now all you need to do is just grab, and you will need to pull it to the back. Okay, like that, you come out, and we have one more wire that it's hard to get if it's there. Okay, just like that. And this is the module, guys, generic electronic module on a Ford Escape right there. So you install it the same way we took it apart, and we also have the video how to program that with MaxiSys, so you can find it on our channel or in the description below. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.